It's not some lousy AI generated content, and it's not from the movie either. Today I was riding on the highway and I saw this crazy catastrophe happen. I can see a tower truck, a tower crane is working, and its arms seem to be broken and lying on the rail of the subway. And for some reason, the train seemed to fail to get a timely update from what's happening here, so it ran directly into the arm and creating this huge mess and unfortunate accident. So later I checked the news, and this is what's look like on the first car of the train. It's basically the shield is totally wasted, and the good news is I can see some passengers here inside the train, so they looked pretty much very calm, so hopefully there's not so much casualties there. And let's take a look at what's look like from inside the car. Yeah, here you go. This is a photo posted by a passenger on one of the cars in that train, and as you can see here, smashed windows, but amazingly the frame of the car seems to be pretty much intact, so I guess the casualty wouldn't be so extreme. So that's the only good news, and we'll keep you posted if we have any updates from the news.